Introduction of equipment and accessories. Portable design, flexible and easy to use. Lightweight and compact size, which facilitates movement and transportation. Power on. 5-inch touchscreen laser control system. Can store 19 groups of custom programs. Different welding process parameters can be quickly recalled, lowers the operation threshold. Supports multi-language switching. Wide parameter adjustment range. Can accurately adapt to the characteristics of different metal materials. Ensures welding quality. Easy to operate. Air-cooled cooling, stable heat dissipation. Supports long-term uninterrupted welding. Can accurately adapt to the characteristics of different metal materials. Can stably weld 0.1 mm ultra-thin materials, preventing burn-through, with clean and aesthetic weld seams. Accurately matches industrial welding scenarios such as thin sheet welding, sign letter welding, and laser welding of lighting products. Meets the personalized needs of handmade DIY production. Balances industrial-grade performance and process flexibility. S1QQ portable spot welding machine, high-precision welding, diverse scenarios. Portable design, flexible and easy. Powerful performance, stable and reliable. Energy saving, low cost, safe. Contact us for more product info.